The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.